Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in the deeper study of surahs, I'm going to do the first ayah of Suratul Mulk today. I'm really excited for this, and I pray to Allah that I'm able to complete the surah in deeper study and then do many more surahs of the Quran inshallah in the years to come. So let's start. The first ayah of the surah is A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Tabarakallazi biyadihil mulku wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Now let's look at the notes. Okay. Okay, it's good now. So first off, the easy translation of this ayah, that blessed is he in whose hand is the dominion of the universe and who has power over everything. Now let's divide the surah into parts. The first part is Tabarakallazi. So the word Tabarak. So let's read this word Tabarak. The word Tabaraka is from the word Baraka, and now we're going to study the word Baraka in a little detail so as to understand what this means. Okay. So the word Baraka in Arabic means excess in goodness. Baraka is zyadatu bil khair, yani ke more goodness. When there is more good than you expected, then that is Baraka. The one who controls all things, meaning Allah Ta'ala, has the power to bring good out of the things like no one else. We believe in cause and effect, right? So I do this and I will get this. So behind all this is an unseen dimension of barakah. When barakah of Allah empowers something, then the results of it are results of it and the good that comes out of it is beyond anyone's expectation. Understand barakah with an example. Like you have a bowl of rice, right? And you have a bowl of rice and 8 people are going to eat from that. So all of the 8 people ate from the single bowl and still there is some left. Then that means that that bowl had barakah in it, more good than expected. It was not expected that like a small medium sized bowl of rice would feed 8 people, but they did and still some was left. So that means that there was barakah in that bowl. Baraka is something that lasts. It's not only increase in goodness, but it is also the goodness that lasts or that stays. So that is the Barakallazi. So blessed is the one. So Baraka is from the one. Biyadihil Mulk. Biyadihil Mulk means the one in only whose hand is all kingdom. So let's look at the word Mulk. The word Mulk is translated as kingdom or dominion. So everything associated with greatness is included in Mulk. Grandeur, greatness, all of that is included in Mulk. And then so Tabarakallazi biyadihil mulk, in whose hand is all the dominion. Wahuwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. So let's look at the word qadir. Qadir means always capable. Qadir comes from qadar, which also means capability and limit. Allah is the one who puts limits on everything. One should be in awe of Allah when you start reciting this surah. So if you are loyal subjects to His kingdom, to Allah's kingdom, then you have His support and backing. Imagine the Sahaba in the battle of Badr against the Kuffar. You see the Sahaba standing on one side, just a few in number, and the Kuffar so much in number. But they had what Sahaba had, the Kuffar did not have, and that was backing from Allah. The angels came to help them, so they won. So imagine Sahaba in Badr against the Kuffar, angels came to help them. So the first ayah we understand after understanding these words, Tabarakallazi, blessed is the one, biyadihil mulk, in whose hand, in only whose hand is all dominion, all kingdom. Wahuwa ala kulli shay'in qadir, and he is capable of doing everything. So when you read this first ayah, when we all read this first ayah, we should be in awe of the power of Allah. We should be in awe of the blessings that Allah has and that He can give. So so whenever there is any problem in our life, or even not problem, whatever situation we are in, if we read this ayah with clear conviction, understanding it that Tabarakallazi, blessed is the one, biyadihil mulk, in only whose hand is the whole kingdom. Anything that's bothering us, that is in His hand. Wahuwa ala kulli shay'in qadir, and He is capable of doing anything. We cannot even imagine what He can do. So whatever big problem you have, tell that problem, Tabarakallazi biyadihil mulku wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Blessed is the one in whose hand is entire kingdom, and He is capable of doing everything. I was thinking of doing tasbih actually of this ayah, because it is so inspiring and it just gives us so much confidence that if you are doing something for Allah, then He is there for you always, helping you out in any situation that you're in. So this was a detailed explanation of the first ayah. I hope that it helped a little. So today when you read Suratul Mulk, when you read this ayah, I hope that you have a little better understanding. So that's all for today. Fi aman Allah.